Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are getting ready in 10 minutes to go to work or to go to school. As in my previous video, you can check all the items that I use and all the products in the description box down below. First thing I do is applying my Photo Focus Primer from Wet n Wild with a damp Real Technique sponge. Then, I'm applying my go-to foundation from Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus in the shade Classic Beige. To conceal my dark circles and imperfections, I'm applying my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige, underneath my eyes, on my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Once this is done, I'm fixing all that with a banana powder from Hard Candy that I first apply with a powder brush underneath my eyes. Just to let you know, all the brushes I'm using during this tutorial are from the Wet n Wild Pro Brush set. It's a limited edition from last year, only available at Walgreens. And then bake really quickly all of my face, insisting on the greasy areas, the nose and the forehead. I then sweep off all the excess powder with circular motions with the same powder brush that I used underneath my eyes. For a bronzy and sharp look, I'm taking my contouring and Sculpt palette from Primark, mixing the first fairest shades with a big fluffy brush, and apply all that to my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. I'm doing a quick nose contouring, applying on the side of my nose with the same two shades used on my cheeks with a precision blending brush. For the blush, I'm taking my Mega Glow palette from Wet n Wild, take the rosy shade and apply it to the top of my cheeks with a blush brush. For the eyes, let's make it quick and simple. I'm using the same palette as for my face contouring and mixing the first two shades and put that into the crease. I'm blending all this up with a blending brush. To intensify the look, I'm using the darkest shade, insisting on the outer corner of the eyes. Then, I'm applying with the more tiny precise brush a mix of the three shades underneath my lower lash line. To illuminate the look, I'm using a shimmery eyeshadow from my Zoeva Uplands palette in the shade Society Figures. I'm not using any fancy brush, I'm just taking my finger and apply it on my eyelid. To enhance the shape of my eyes, I'm drawing a wing with an Essence Liquid eyeliner. I also intensify my eyes by applying a black pencil on my waterline. My eyelashes are very straight, so I'm curling them with my Shu Uemura eyelash curler. I then apply my Dior Show base to make them look thicker and longer. To finish, I'm applying my Lash Queen mascara from Helena Rubinstein. For my eyebrows, I redraw my line with the brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade dark brown. I then took my spoolie and blend this all up. For the highlight, I'm taking my highlighting brush and wet it with a fixing spray. I'm using the same Mega Glow palette and take the champagne shade to apply it to the apple of my cheeks, the bridge and the tip of my nose, and also under my brow bone and my cupid's bow. For the lips, I'm going with a neutral look and apply my NYX Lingerie Matte Lippy in the shade Bedtime Flirt. Last but not least, to stay gorgeous and fresh all day long, I'm fixing my makeup with the spray from I Love Makeup. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to know what's new on my channel and when I'm uploading a new video, don't forget to hit the notification bell and follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat.